Hey everyone, this is Ram. So the last place where I stayed during my trip was at Sunnyvale Andaman. It's more of a homestay like an Airbnb than a hotel. The rooms are located on the second floor of the building. I was wondering if I was going to get any help with my luggage, and one of their staff helped me with it. The hotel is owned and run by Mr. Hussain. He was very polite and friendly at the time of check-in. When I reached my room, I found it spacious and it felt like I was home. Even though there was traffic on the road, there was no noise in the room. Given its prime location, it was very convenient for me to visit some attractions like Marina Park and Aberdeen Bazaar that was close by. I had a pleasant and convenient stay at this place. Staying here made my last stay at Port Blair delightful. If you're someone who's looking for a comfortable room in Marine Hill, do consider checking this place out. If you found this video useful, give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. As usual, I'll see you guys in the next one.